Hey friends, welcome to the channel. If you're new here, welcome to Pen and Pad, where we learn to draw awesome characters, super fun things. And in today's video, we're gonna draw PEELY from Fortnite. So, let's jump right in. Grab your pen, grab your pad, your paper, you know the drill. Let's begin with PEELY's eyes. What we're first gonna do is just do a very slight curl up, and then we're gonna do a big curl down, like a big U. For his sunglasses. Same thing on this side. Curl up, then a big curl down. Oh yeah, because he's a cool kid. Then what we're going to do is we're going to actually jump up here and do a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6-sided shape. So we're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And that's the very top of the banana of PEELY. So we're going to take this very edge corner. We're going to come down towards the sunglasses. Stop. And on this side, we're going to go all the way to the sunglasses and stop. All the way to the sunglasses. Stop. Sweet. Okay, then we're going to take this edge. Make a parallel line. Stop. And we're going to bring this line down just a little bit further. And we're going to add a curl. We're going to go up. And over. Stop. Over. And curl back around. And connect back to this line. Perfect. On this side, we're going to do the same thing. Curl up and over. Make a straight line. Curl back around. Stop. Sweet. And let's just add a little mouth. Oh yeah, cool kid. Alright, right here we're going to start the line again and come down just a little bit further. Stop. And over here, we're going to come down a little bit further and stop. And then what we're going to do is we're going to draw a nice outline. Come down, come up. We'll connect that part down. Add just a nice little collar. Come down. Stop. And we're going to do a little bow tie. Circle. Easy. Then a little triangle. Looking good. Triangle in. Add his fancy shirt. And let's just add a little shoulder. Okay, let's do his arm. Down to his elbow. It curves in. Stop. Curl in towards his arm. Curl around. Stop. And his suit connects right there. Oh, he's looking good. Alright, then let's add his finger, his thumb. And 1, 2, 3, and connect. I guess 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I guess we got all 5 fingers. Sweet. Then on this side, let's have the suit come in a little bit further. Suit come in, connect. Oh yeah. Comes down, connects. Sweet. And this part's where the shoulder bulges out just a little bit. Down to the elbow. Elbow curves around towards the other hand. Stop. Diagonal up towards the face. Stop. Curl in. And then we're just going to do this little loop. And we're going to darken that right now. And we're going to have this other hand come around. Stop. And we'll have his other hand touching the other one. Just a few little loops. Sweet. Okay, and then we're going to finish off his suit. Come down, stop, around, up, down, around, curve up, and over. Add some buttons. Awesome. How about just like little spots for his pockets? Let's add his pants. We're going to start out wide, curve in, start out wide, curve in, add a little knee, then curve in, then add a fancy shoe. Awesome. This side, same thing. Start wide, curve in, a little bit of a knee, curve down, curve over. Let's add an fancier shoe on this side. Then over here, he's got a little holster. Just make a little block. And that's where his weapon is, right there. Oh my goodness, we're forgetting his little pocket square, so we're gonna do a straight line up here. Up, and then connect with a triangle. Awesome, guys, that's looking really good. So all we're gonna do is we're just gonna add a few more details. Add a little collar. And then what we'll do too is we'll add a little bit of a shadow. Then what we'll do is we'll color this in. And then bam! And that is Peely. What more could you say? That looks just like him. Or, looks more like a banana in a suit. Thanks guys for watching. Make sure to give a thumbs up and subscribe for more great content. Thanks again for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.